Yeah, greetings sanibonani siyanibingelela emakhaya kuphi nakuphi la nikhona. This is Durban Network, your favorite show. Ilona uhlelo lakho luyingqayizivele esazisa kahle ukuthi niyalithanda nonke kanti ke sitholakala khona ke ku social media. Siyatholakala lapha ku TikTok, siyatholakala ku Facebook. We are there on YouTube as well. Please go in numbers and subscribe. Igama ke ngusabelo Ndabase. Kanti ke namhlanje nginiphathele a veteran actor uSibusisiwe Jili who go by the name of Aura.
Yeah.
Aura in music because she both do music and acting as well. Sifisa ukwazi kabanzi ke ngaye namhlanje uzobe entshela nje eniphethululela ngayo ukuthi uyubani. Siyakubingelela studio Aura.
Hi.
Kunjani?
It's good to see you.
You look beautiful by the way.
Oh, ngiyabonga.
Yeah. Abantu bayafuna ukwazi ukuthi ubani mhlambe siqale ngosibusisiwe Jili uqale kuphi ukhulele kuphi nje siqale lapha ekuqaleni before the fame.
Oh, okay. Usibusisiwe Jili intombazanyana nje eyitshwele bandla.
Yeah.
Ngakhulela eMaritzburg.
Yeah.
I went to Girls High, ngasengeza ngala eThekwini. Ngafunda eHoward College.
Yes, Howard.
Ngafundela i-drama ne-media and communications. While I was doing that bengenza ne-geography and environmental management ngoba phela ekhaya mawake wathi nje drama.
Yes, abasayizwisisa.
Uswazi lapho yabo. So ngadidisa ke ngalabo geography bakhona but ngagcina sengiqedela la ngo media. So mangisuka lapho I was also modeling. I was modeling for Ice Models and then ngathola umsebenzi eGoli befuna i-model any acting experience.
Yes, yeah.
Of which I had from varsity. So ngangena kwi program ethiwa Isibaya.
Yes.
Ayidlala ku Mzansi Magic. I think isadlala manje other languages. Ayibo ngabona lapha ngikhuluma French.
Yes.
Yeka wena ngibe ngasifeyila evarsity kodwa ngashayi French.
Yeah.
So yeah, I started off on Isibaya. That was my first acting gig. Kahle ngangazi ukuthi ngizoba ku-entertainment industry because of the background yasekhaya. Niyokuthi nje into entertainment into ngangeni kuyona. So ungena kwami ngaba naleyo shock ukuthi oh my word, now I'm here.
Yes, yeah.
But while I was there ngadiscover ukuthi you know what, actually vele benginayo lelo khono lokuthi ngikuthanda ukucula. Ngikuthanda ukudweba, ngikuthanda ukubhala.
Oh yes.
You know, so when you're an artist, all-rounded artist, izinto for me izinto ngazi experience in a slow pace ngenxa ya background yokuthi ngivalelekile ngaka-arts but ngiyakuthanda ukwenza izinto ezithize. So I've been slowly uncovering ama-talent ami. So yeah, so with acting ke fine ngangena and abantu abaningi bayangazi on different shows, Mzansi Magic, SABC and now Netflix.
Yeah.
We're international.
Yeah, you have won international now. Okay, mhlawumbe ungayichaza ngomuntu onjani ma ukhula nje eMaritzburg before ufika eHoward College usakhula nje mhlawumbe akhona ama signs ayekhona ukuthi ukhula mhlawumbe you'll end up in acting.
You know, as ukhula as umntwana you don't really notice ukuthi okay, for me out ngikhuluma on a personal level. Mina even though bengazi ukuthi I'm talented, I started drawing.
Yes.
In primary. I started poetry in primary. I started writing in primary, like creative writing in primary. And then I started acting in high school. So those were my talents. Ngazi ukuthi italente into extracurricular.
Yeah, I got it.
So it was never something engangithi ngizoyenza ibe a career.
Oh yeah.
So in the back of my mind ngangisacabanga ukuthi okay yini ngizoyenza. I actually wanted to be a fashion designer. Wathi nje uma awukucabange enye. So as much as the signs were there, like you had to shut them down.
Yeah.
But I was a very curious child. I'd say I was an observer. Ngangibuka a lot. Abanye abantu babethi ngiyaklina.
Yeah,
But no, cha ngiyakubuka nje.
yeah,
Because
yeah.
I wanted to understand ukuthi what drives you, because I was always driven by what drives people. You know, so iyangichaza nje ukubuka umuntu isiqu sakhe ukuthi njengoba unjena olana, what
Kusho
drives.
kumele ube psychologist.
I actually was going to study psychology.
Yeah.
That was also one of my career paths. Ngisazowenza Nkosi yami, isangqongqoza namanje.
Isangqongqoza.
Yeah.
Uma wakho usufika kwi-level whereby manje ungena kwisibaya kushuthi seyaqala yavuleka iminyango yakho ye-acting. Bona njenganabantu ababe kade bengayizwisisi kahle indaba ye-acting kuwena, into zo fashion designing and stuff, into ze-art nje all in all. Naku manje sowuthola igig ephilayo, into ebonakalayo, ithini respond yabo ngaleso sikhathi?
Wow. You know, I've always seen myself as a creator. Even mangibhala nje incwadini zami ngithi I create.
Yes.
So I feel like I created a space where they could accept who I was.
Yes.
Because as soon as ngithola i-call bethi kade zama ukukufonela, it's been 3 days zama ukukufonela, siyakudinga la eGoli. Uma wavele washintsha wathi batshela ukuthi uyeza kusasa. Ngathi oh
Yebani.
kanjani manje? Like
All of a sudden.
like I literally ngavele ngashaya ovalo, you know, because from that day the support was there.
Yes.
Yeah, so umzala uya mayibona ukuthi umntana wakhe uya progressa.
Yes.
They gear towards that so that bezomsiza ukuthi bambombe. So mina uma wangithi, even though as a creator you fall apart a lot.
Yes.
Kunendawo eningi la ngiwa khona, kodwa ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi umzali uzothi kanje.
Yes.
Yeah, so I think uma wadlala leyo ndima enkulu kumina ukuthi noma ngiwa angifundisa ukuthi noma uwa phakama 10 times more ke manje.
Yes,
Uwile washayeka sula leso sibazi leso onaso uphakame kakhulu ke manje, shine even more, be greater than what you were before. So that was the role that she did.
Wathola igig enkulu isiba obvious wafica veteran actors, abantu who has been there for so many years, who have like a vast of experience. Tell us about your adaptation.
Hey, ngingasaqhaqhazeli. Thiwa nje uzoba intombi ya Jack Mabas. Ngathi
Yeah.
So that for me, yes, it was scary, but as much as it was scary, uNkulunkulu wangifaka into a space where abantu pivoted towards me. Jack Mabasa wangihlalisa phansi wathi you've got a great talent. After a scene that we did wasukuma umuntu wangihaga wathi wow, you are amazing. Lapho mina ngila. And wathi nje ngicela ukuthi uqinise okholweni lakho with whatever it is. I will never forget those words. Qinisa okholweni lakho lakini. Ayikho into edlula ikhaya, because that is the basis of who you are. So ungahambi adaptize into zangaphandle just because usubona kuyi-trend kuyi-fashion. No, i-rock yakho, i-foundation yakho iyona lezo kuthwala through this industry, because it gets very shaky. So I received them very well and they received me very well. Yeah.
So nje lokuthi banegama elingaka kwagcina sekungakuthusi makuhamba isikhathi.
Hayi mina sebangathola wavela wathi hayibo usabani ngoba usu one of us. And I was like,
There are a lot of things which brings some sort of complications kakhulu setting, like ukufunda script, all those things. Those movements around, like I know which vele wasoyifundile drama, but I'm kind of curious which were you in that level whereby so understand a camera dialogue and all of those stuff. If bowungekho kuleyo level yini yakusiza ukuthi ukwazi ukuadapt into enenjani?
Ngizobuyela kule saying le ukuthi I'm an observer. So ngiyabuka esethini ukuthi okay kune language la ikhulunywayo
Yes.
engingayazi. Because in third year we studied acting for the camera, but it wasn't in great depth.
Yes, yeah,
You know,
yeah,
yokuthi sizotshengisa ukuthi ama camera angles ama kanjani and ama terms asetshenziswayo. So you learn that when you're on set.
Yes.
Those are the skills that you develop when you're on set. And so I had to learn a lot of that and act as if I knew what was going on.
Precisely.
Meanwhile, I'm like,
Yeah.
you know, so zonke izinto engazifunda esethini ngoba ngang-observe. So yabona i-setup nje kanje njengoba ku-setup yo kanje abantu abaningi abazi ukuthi njengoba setup kanjena it's for what,
Yes,
lama
yeah.
light it's for what yabo.
Yes,
So I had
yeah.
to learn a lot of those things by myself. And then sometimes ngizoqhweba umuntu ngithi chaza ukuthini lento.
Yeah.
Yeah, almost ngilahleke
Yeah.
isijumpile. But yeah, I had to do that.
Yeah, no kwakuphoqa yayingekho indlela. Wakhula wathi mawusuka kwishow yesibaya, then you went on other show. What does that mean for you?
For me it ingitshengisile ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyaphila ngaphakathi kumina, because kanginede ngiphume kwishow ngithi sengiya kule show. Nangempela futhi ngiye kuyo leyo show. Because as Isibaya was drawing to a close,
Yes.
we were all faced with that question ukuthi when is my last day.
Yeah.
So mina ngavele ngahleka ngathi mina ngiya with the queen. You know, because I joke about a lot of things.
Yeah, yeah.
And the next thing, there was an opportunity to audition for the Queen, and I called in. I asked if I could come for an audition. Ngaya ngempela bangithanda ngawe uGeorgina with the Queen. Ngayiphoyisa elihluphayo nje.
Kalula kanjalo nje.
Kalula kanjalo. And in between Isibaya, because ngangisafika, so isalary yami yayisalow, so I had to compensate with other jobs on the side. Mina I'm a hustler ke. I had to compensate with other jobs on the side. So ngangithi what else can I penetrate? Ngiyafuna ukungena lapha ku Generations ake ngiyozama. So I would talk to someone who would know someone.
Yeah.
Ngithi angizamele audition.
Yeah,
Because
yes,
sometimes
yeah.
ma ungena agent mawusafika, you have to maneuver your way around. You have to talk to people who are already in the industry. Kunabantu abazanayo la kwi-industry.
Yes, that's
so
true.
yeah, I tapped on those doors. I knocked on those doors, and until I got an agent as well. Ngakwazi nokuthi ngilende i-show yami imina nawe on
Yeah,
SABC1
yes, yeah,
while
yeah.
I was doing Generations, New Carol, Intombi ya Tau,
yeah,
and I also bagged. What did I do? Oh my gosh, I was working. Oh, I did my short films. Yes.
Yeah, short films.
Those really help out a lot. My short films go Mzansi Magic.
Yes.
Excuse me. My short films go Mzansi Magic ayasiza in
Yeah.
terms of uqhubeka nje exposure yakho in the arts, you know. So I did a lot of those. I made friends with abantu abenza my short films. Senza isihlahla sempilo. Oh my lord, ngaze ngakhohlwa. But then eventually I got new gigs. Yeah, I got the Queen. I got into House of Zwide for a cameo. That was fun. And I went to Uzalo in KZN to try something new. Ngaze ngangenela na Netflix. So yeah, I opened myself up. Tried.
Ifame yakho, did it lend you to get some gigs mhlawumbe abantu on a corporate side sebethi I know siyabuthanda ubuso bakho mhlawumbe can you come and be an MC okanye bak-endorse something? Did you get a chance for those things?
I feel like I'm still getting those opportunities. It's just that ifame yami okwamanje angakayishape into lento engifuna ukuthi ibe yiyona. So ngithatha kancane
Yes,
because for me angibona ukuthi abanye abantu bathi nini uphelelwa isikhathi.
Yes.
But uma ngabe uNkulunkulu enoplan for wena, then uhamba ngawo loyo plan and uyena ukuplanelayo ukuthi i-longevity ye-career yakho izoba kanjani. So ngilandela lokho nje kwamanje. For me, I won't lie, I feel like I've still got a lot of work to do. But I have knocked on government doors. They've opened their doors for me. I've worked with the Department of Arts and Culture in Johannesburg. I work with Department of Arts and Culture in Pietermaritzburg as well. Ngobi Sekai, Maritzburg. Yeah, nala eThekwini ngisebenzile nomasipala, Durban municipality, I think.
Yeah.
Yes, I've worked with them. So I've MC'd. I've been like, yeah, MC and host is the same thing, right?
Yeah. Cishe kwinto efanayo.
Yeah, I've also done my appearances where ufike nje uzobingelela nje ibandla uthi nami ngikhona njalo.
Yeah.
I've also done my motivations kakhulu ey'koleni. I love motivating ey'koleni because ngiyazi ukuthi khona ingane enjengami ehleli lapha ngemuva ebukayo ukuthi does the world actually see me?
Yes, precisely. Yeah.
So ngiyazi ukuthi ikhona leyo ngane out there, and if I can get my message across again, ukuthi I find mhlawumbe ngeke uzube i-actress, but you are something great in the world.
I still remember one time you shared a video on your status. I can't remember bekuzalo noma you were still with Isibaya or House of Zwide. Nje like umuntu bubbly around amanye ama-actors ozakwenu osebenza nabo. Tell us about that character of yourself as well.
I am a very bubbly character. Once you get to know me, I will stress that because umuntu yakhumbula ngihlele ukuthi abantu bacansi ngahlina.
Yes.
Ngale ngibuke because it's not really easy to let anybody into your space, you know?
Yeah, precisely.
But with izinto enjengo acting, obviously ungena bantu bangena into your space ngenxa yokuthi sisebenza nabo. But nawe ma usu rotate usu thola abantu aba familiar to you, then I character yakho iyaqala yaphuma iyavuleka. Well, for me kukanjalo ke. So manginabantu engiactor nabo, somehow uNkulunkulu ngihlanganisa nabantu abanomoya ozwanayo.
Yes.
So kuba njalo kuba lula ukuthi sihlekele sodwa ke, and I'm always like the life of the party, believe it or not. But but gravitated towards me because of that.
Yes. Sisase kuyona acting. Do you see yourself maybe in maybe 10 years to come or something, mhlampe so director or a script writer or playing a certain role behind the scene?
I'm actually working on that right now. I've always I will say my first love was writing. Because I didn't have to talk. I didn't have to address anybody. So ziningi izinto engayibhala, of which unfortunately, because of moving around so much as a child, I've lost so much of that content, of which I would believe would tell such a great story. But from my memories, excuse me, I've written izinto engaziyo ukuthi I can turn this into something. Kuna documentary, there's even animation. There's even short film. But I feel like into engila kakhulu kuyona is psychological. So it's gonna be weird.
Tell us about your music side, because I've been observing ukuthi uyathana stage there and there, noma ngenze ngiqiniseke ukuthi into ogxile kangakanani kuyona, but there seems to be a music living in.
Music ngangilalela, you know, basakhula you need lento nje it calmer down when there's so much noise in your head.
Yes, yeah.
That you don't understand. Why is there so much noise in my head? So music was that
meditate ngawo kahle
yes, I nginama meditational sounds nginayo in music.
Yes, yeah.
But ngisakhula it was deep house. That was my first love. In music, was deep house.
Yeah.
And then kube khona negqom ke. So
ungameditate out ngegqomo
kodwa sho ukuthi meditate ngayo. Yabona ngikhola seyikhona le meditate ngayo kube khona le ekudlalela yabona nje yokuthi ikutseyo yeah so I deep house nje bengiyithanda nje ngisakhula kakhulu ngase wangenelela negqomuke la ikhipha lokho ke wena ukuhlanya ngakho udansa wedwa kamereni sena round so music has always been that for me like nje love ngimova ngithi nje uzibona uyi superstar stage so uzibona lo but so when I got the opportunity akhona nje lawo bhuti awu2 abangishaya ethusheleni kwaba into eka2 that's yo man let me try this out and I tried it and we got gigs and I just enjoyed it so much ukuthi I got pick up but I'm not sure angazi noma izoya kude yini yona ikhona ngisho ukuthi ngizoyeka just because nayo ngiyithanda but because ne opportunity for me ukuthi ngi explore ngizo-explore.
Are you working on something new music? Like, are you in studio? Are you having a new single? Are you having an album? What exactly happening right now?
I've got an EP and yes, you're performing actually tonight. We've got a studio in Maritzburg. It's called Tava Records.
Tava Records,
yes. So we started that with Umganwamu King.
Yeah.
King Ava. And Minango Aura.
Oh yeah, Tava no Aura.
Yeah, you can find us on socials. So for the studio we do our recordings there saqala kuyinga nkosi yami kuyiko inkosi but kwakhula it's a bigger space. We've got more equipment now. We're working on doing my podcast actually.
Oh, incredible.
Yeah, so siyakhula nje kancane kancane ngayo music. I don't want to put like a time frame to it.
Yes.
Because now I think yonke into yami nje angifaki time frame because I'm as much as we have control, we're not in control. You know? So I'm full of a time frame again. I'm just enjoying it. Yeah, so we gonna EP, EP now. It is available for downloads. We're working on getting the platform, the subscribe and all of that. In the baby phase. It's a casa. But
I can recall. I think it's 5 years back. See now. Mount Froy, if I'm not mistaken, in Eastern Cape. Etendi. And you rock that crowd, man. Like you still rock the way you.
But I think I'm a wild card.
Yeah,
I surprised myself.
Yeah.
I
was surprised.
Because you were like. Like we couldn't even move at some point because everybody was But I think when I have a vision and it starts playing out, I start creating these alignments. So it's okay. Because it's just we're all having fun, you know, we're all there to have fun. And if you can execute that and give that to the crowd, then how So my friend was so fun, I would like.
Yeah, no, that was an incredible performance. But you can't move office Yeah, mhlambe Sibu, I will take you back to acting kakhulu.
Thank you.
Waqala ngesibaya kakhulu ekuyigig yakho eyaba popular engathi yayi entry level yakho. But isibaya, the tricky part saziwa up until now saziwa njengokuthi it was one of the most authentic soapies eyakade iveza izinto ne-acting yakhona yayidinga abantu abakwazi uku-acta. So mhlawumbe ukusuka kwi-gig enjenganaleya eyayiphethe iquality engakaso uvela kwamanye ama-gig akuzange kukwenza ukuthi kube lula going to amanye ama-gig cause vele sokubuya la kunzima khona.
Hey Brian, yabo uNkulunkulu vele enza ama-otherwise. Ngicabanga uqale kwi-gig yokuqala nga isibaya and you have to portray this classy character and then I went on ngayishintsha leyo character because if you ubheka istory sazanele waqala nje this post lady ofaka amahili wa gradually sekujula noqaphela wayiva.
Yeah.
I wanted to depict reality ukuthi sometimes not even sometimes emhlabeni angeke uzohlezi no matter how hard you may try and act as if everything is okay. Kukhona la umhlaba uzothi I'm here. Hi. So with Isibaya I will say ukuthi nga enjoy kakhulu khona because nganikezwa leyo freedom to explore myself within this acting world esengifakwe kuyona. So then lawa amanye ama character bengwa explore ke sengingenelela kwamanye ama productions senginaleyo nhlamvu ukuthi sibose uma ngabe uthola a character is all rounded. So play all angles of a person because umuntu akasiyona into eyodwa umuntu dynamic ungashintsha manje nje.
Yes, yeah.
Angakushintshela manje umuntu avela yiphara phambi kwakho, you know, and then you're like wait what bese nayizolo nje. So I play on all of those aspects izinto engizibuyayo emhlabeni. Abantu ukuthi banjani uhambo lomuntu emhlabeni. So that seed was planted kwisibaya and then ngadlula nayo lawa wonke amanye ama character ami.
Mhlambe ke sesibheka kakhulu ama directors because ahlukene ama directors ne experience yawo ayifani. Kwisibaya kwa direct umunye umuntu so ya kwabanye directors mhlambe kuzalo House of Zwide generations kanjalo. Mhlambe kwakunjani ukusebenza nabanye o director for wena kwaba lula noma mhlambe uma ufika komunye director kusamele mhlambe understand indlela asebenza ngayo?
Okay, you know, mawufika uthole a character, you've got an idea of okay, this is how I'll play the character. Ebese ufika esetini, you meet the director, you meet the other people around you, and then the director tells you a vision yakhe. First and foremost, for me, listening is a skill. So I listen to the director. Ukuthi sibuze ngicela uyidlale kanje nake le part. This is what I want because ufuna portray something. Khona message afuna ukuyiportray ngokutshela ukuthi ngicela uyidlale kanje le part. So within my idea of what I have ukuthi okay this character umuntu kanjena but lento director afuna send across that message afuna send across fanele ngi-incorporate kuyo le character and it needs to be a smooth transition kube ngathi vele yinto yakhe.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm making sense. So for me listening to the director is very important because bona when une idea your character they have the idea of his story song and how you fit into that story. So once ngalaleli director abese angifita into the bigger picture it's much easier for them. I hope I've been a good you know it's much easier for them ukuthi bakufake into that world, you know, ungavele ube ulophozo lolo cicano vele uthi kanje wona si hayi ngeke lo akayazi into ayenzayo la. So I think it's very important ukulalela director for me it's really important because naye ukunikeza any perspective obungayicabanganga wena as an actor. So yeah, I don't fight with them, but sometimes ngiyabuza ama questions a lot. I khona ngizo-understand ukuthi why. Yeah.
Does it go up to a point whereby uthole ukuthi wena mhlawumbe ne-director nje gcine ningasazwani ngokuthi mhlawumbe wena ucabanga ngenye indlela nawe ucabanga ngenye indlela?
Angifuni kuze kufike lapho. Akuyona into yasekhaya lesenzayo.
Yeah.
Let's try and understand each other so that we can get that story across. I try by all means ungabi nodlame. Ingakho ngithi listening is a skill. You know, listen and silence are spelled with the same letters. So I need to understand ukuthi yini leyo ufuna ukuthi ngiyenze ngale nto mina enginayo nami engizoyiletha ayiblend as smoothly as possible. Angazi mhlawumbe phela abanye no director they can come out call me out. Pick me. But I think I've angilwe no director mina ngifuna ukunderstand kahle lento abayibonayo ekhanda because most of them will come up to me and be like, oh thank you,
yes,
and then I'm like, that's what I want. Ngithanda happy ending guys ngoba yikho emhlabeni.
Ayijwayelekile.
You know, so I always try ukuthi let's make it as smooth as possible.
Mhlawumbe kunento enokwenzeka imibuzo ehlezi ibuzwa abantu emakhaya kodwa uthole kungoba phela nina as ama-actors nile phezulu abafinyeleli lento yamasini kakhulu mangabe ni-act uthole kwisini mhlawumbe asibeke njengalesini wawi-actor noqaphela isibaya uthole mhlawumbe isini nje le egangile mhlawumbe kuyenzekani uma uyi-actor kufike kuleyo scene ekanjalo yenza ukuthi nigcine seniconnecta nomuntu beyond?
Hey, niyakuthanda ukuganga. Hey guys. You know, ama intimate scenes adinga ukuthi uthephe into something ngaphakathi kwena. Some people can just go into a scene basho ukuthi okay ngigcina la. And some people will make it flow kuze kubukeke ngathi oh my gosh this is real. I like doing that. Ngifuna ngibone ngoba yini into eniyenzayo. I play ama scenes as authentically as possible. Because khona lento engifuna ukuyibona like nina mangidlala ama scene azonithi hey kusenza kanje because then I know ukuthi I killed it. Then I know ukuthi khona la ikuthinte khona. Yeah, kukhona abantu who hook up afterwards, of course. I mean, it's an intimate scene. I'm not sure if bayaqomana in industry it's mfethu uqomana akuvamisile because how many people in the industry obaziyo bashade nebodwa?
It's rare.
They hook up, but I don't know if it goes as far as marriage. I don't know many people that are married within our industry. La South Africa ke angibazi mina abantu athi nje hayi sahlanganisa thini sashada.
Shithi nje kuba iloko okuhlangana hu.
Kusho ukuthi
kuyenzeka mhlawumbe uthole ukuthi uzodlala kwi-gig ethile enjoy mhlawumbe equality ethile support ethile ama-fans ayithanda then mhlawumbe the next gig uthole ukuthi ingaphansi kwaleyo ubone mhlawumbe uzizwe wena ngathi ngiya downgrade la.
I honestly haven't in terms of music
acting yeah
angakayizwa angakayizwa mhlambe ngoba nanokuthi I take breaks angikho in your screen all the
time
yeah, you know?
Yeah
Mhlambe ngakho ngakayizwa because izinto engena kuzona is selective so angakayizwa no but I hope I don't kunini ngiwa ngivuka, can
Yeah.
it not be there?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
no.
Yeah. Sesivala nje ake sibhek side lakho lo music sithi nje ukuzuma mhlawumbe yini abantu abangayilindela in the next 5 years to come wena nomculo
5 years.
mhm
Iminyaka emingaki le?
Eyisihlanu
With in music, yo, bruh, I don't know. Just watch. Just experience.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
know, mangifika nako sengifikile uzobona nawe.
Yeah. Yazi kusasho njalo. Ngikhumbula the time kade senza ususheleni ukuthi kwaba into efast wabe ngathi umuntu ohleze ready. I remember into yenziwe lesitudio same day. So
Sathola no guy you are
exactly. Yabo. So ngizamuke point into ukuthi when you measure creativity yakho mostly ku music uzirate kuphi mawubheka ngoko music sakho.
With my music, creativity is there. It's just that for me right now, I haven't really angiyibekele isikali. Yabo. I'm working on it. Yes, I feel like okay. Empilweni kahle kahle mina ezinto zami angizibekele isikali. Zinomano nje ukuzenzakala.
Do you think you go all out to be there on the music business, to be there on the music industry? Like you're doing the most.
I'm not doing the most right now. I'm doing what I can. Yeah, but in terms of backstage preparation, working on getting ama gigs, working on the music, yes, I'm going all out there. But look engikubonayo right now, angeke ngize ngicreate ngathi ngisafufusa.
Mhlambe khona abantu abanye laba ama big artists kanje abanye mhlambe bakufonele bathi singathanda ukusebenza nawe.
Lalelani
creativity yakho
ngikhona.
Ngikhumbula eGramfontein uphefuma khona.
Yo, Brian from
MTV.
Yo, savinjwa na amaphoyisa. Kufanele ngichaze. Hey, boy. Oh no, that was crazy. But yo, bro, I'm spontaneous. Njengoba ngitshela ukuthi I surprise myself. Angazi into ezokwenzeka namhlanje. But I know that ngiready sirehearsile. I'm just going to give what I can, which is my best. Every day is a new day. Every day ngizalwa kabusha, you know. So I feel like just be you and the universe will just
Yes, yeah. Having been to ama-gig la amakhulu acting like uZalo, iGenerations, House of Zwide, The Queen, Isibaya, yiphi isho ukuthi mawubuka or mhlawumbe ipurpose asenalo kakhulu ku-acting ukuthi if nginga-actor lapha mhlawumbe kuleya show ngaleyo show mhlawumbe if you were to name two imaphi lawo masho?
Definitely a superhero on Marvel.
Yeah.
Kiwenje.
Yeah.
A Marvel superhero.
Yeah.
Lapi or Hunt.
Yeah. Mhlawumbe ngempela ngoba siyabona nama artists ase South Africa ama-actor they are making it.
Yeah, basitshengisile.
Hollywood.
Yes, basitshengisile Thusimbedu is doing big. She's doing amazing.
Yeah.
Amathuba avulekile for young black women in this industry. So masithola ithuba guys libambe ngazo zombili izandla and fly with it. Yeah.
I think there's also a lot of African created movies amanye awako Nigeria, Zambia, ahlukahlukene othola ukuthi kuyenza kugcine sekuvela ithuba elingagcine seli-expose nina enisuka ngapha, you know.
Akhona now.
Yeah, akhona.
Akhona. Oh man, I'm so sorry I forgot your name. Kondomazane kodwa she's starring in a Nigerian film right now. Lead.
Leading actor.
Yeah, she's from Johannesburg. No, guys, we are there. We are young, we are black, we're African, and we are creating these giant waves.
Yes, yeah.
It's beautiful.
Ngani zamkhulu besiphethe sibusisiwe Jili e-studio kuyona ke i-Durban Network and sesiyalivala ke uhlelo siyathemba ukuthi nimthokozele. Ntokazi siyabonga ukuba nawe.
Nami ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga ingane zakwethu nizosibamba futhi next time abafuna ukubona lolu hlelo you can go on TikTok niye nalapha ya ku YouTube ni subscribe kulona kuhlelo lwethu ke i-Durban Network. You can follow our page on Facebook. Siyabonga ke uthando lwenu. Danku.